As you would expect, they are small and grey, between 3 to 5 feet tall. They are erect standing bipeds, which means they walk on 2 legs, with a very large head containing 2 brains. Their heads are larger than a human's head, with no hair, eyebrows, or eyelashes. They have large black opaque almond-shaped eyes, which are slanted at approximately 30 degrees and have vertically slit pupils. Their eyes are described as being very creepy and make a lasting impression on people who have seen them. Their heads are domed and look similar in shape to a human fetus head. They have spindly arms and legs and a thin torso, slightly resembling a praying mantis. Their long hands reach down to their knees when standing with their arms by their sides, and a small palm leads to claw-like spindly fingers. Normally they have 2 short and 2 long fingers, but some only have 3 fingers. Their skin is slightly reptilian in texture, grey in colour, and tough. Small feet with 4 small claw-like toes complete this insect-like creature. Internally, they have a non-functioning digestive system, waste products being secreted through the skin. How do they behave? They are extremely logical beings and have a love of technology. Religious activity annoys them. Any activity which does not have an obvious logical context confuses them, which means they have no sense of humour and don't understand poetry. Their movements are very slow, deliberate and precise. Although they have high intelligence, they do take a long time to make decisions. They are believed to possess a telepathic ability, which as a group gives them a collective consciousness. What are they up to? Some types of small grey work for the draconian reptilian alien and are subservient to them. Small grey aliens are involved in several unpleasant activities. They abduct humans for genetic experiments and mind programming. They use implants to monitor humans. Attempts by humans to remove these implants have sometimes resulted in the death of the human. After many years of practice and research, they have become experts in the manipulation of both the human body and mind. One of their projects is to create a new type of being, the human grey hybrid. It is the small grey alien that has been recovered from UFO crashes such as Roswell and Missouri. What do they eat? Blood and other biological fluids is the mainstay of the small grey's diet. They abduct human beings and certain animal, usually cattle, to make these fluids. The formula they produce includes amniotic water. This is the nourishing and protective liquid contained within the womb of a pregnant woman. Blood plasma and several other soft tissue body parts which are raw, usually from a cow or bull. The Grey's requirement for bovine innards explains the thousands of mutilated cattle which are found all over the world. The mixture is a nearly clear mixture with a texture of pureed peaches. They try not to consume this substance around humans because the odour is totally obnoxious to us. Another chilling part of their diet is a substance which is generated by the human brain when we are under stress or in fear of our lives. Phil Schneider claims they consume this substance like a recreational drug, as a human would use cocaine. The substance may well be a hormone and is sometimes known as life energy or soul energy. Where do they come from? The small grey comes from the constellation of Zeta Reticulum, which is 39 light years from Earth. They originate from the 4th planet around the 2nd star of Reticulum. This is only observable in the night from the southern hemisphere. Would you invite one to meet your mother? Definitely not, bearing in mind that the small grey is quite happy to extract your soft tissue organs and all of your blood, then liquidize this into a protein drink for its afternoon refreshment. They can also exercise mind control, and they stink.